welcome to another episode of the Border Hookups Go RVing.
That's it.
We are heading out to book wineries and breweries because we're going to come back in March and April and play the Sonoita area.
Well, nice. Well, then why are we heading back into the park?
Because we forgot all our promo stuff. Yeah. So we're booking today into wineries and it's amazing. This one we just came up upon? Is that a word? Came upon is amazing. And it's more than just a winery, it's a full event center and it's out in the mountains and it's gorgeous. So we're hoping come March, April that we'll be playing their area here and it's gonna be fun. You excited?
I am, except I just keep thinking Grey Poupon.
Oh yeah.
You said
Grey
that.
Poupon.
Yeah, I am. This is, all of the vineyards we've been to so far are really nice, but this one is just amazing. Yeah, this is pretty amazing. Yeah. But you've never been on a booking trip before, have you? I haven't.
Where you drive from place to place and give them CDs and cards. It's
fun. Introduce ourselves, meet people. Everybody so far in the Sonoita area has been so nice.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's been fun. So far so good, except we haven't been drinking wine.
So I just walked by one of my #1 vices, which is cotton candy, and it's Bombshell Sweets cotton candy, perfected. And I have their cards here, and we're gonna put their information in the show notes. And they have all of these different types of cotton candy, all these different flavors: banana, nana, eggnog, ooh, and they have cherry lemonade.
Okay.
Caramel apple. What is your name?
My name's Chris.
This is Chris. Is it okay if we get you on camera?
That's fine.
This is Chris, and he's owner?
One of the owners.
One of the owners, and they do have an online...
we have an online store that you can order from, and we ship anywhere in the lower 48. So any of the 48 contiguous states.
And how long have you guys been in business?
So 3 years for the main company, and I've been selling it down here for about a year.
Okay, cool. It's okay if we put your info in the show notes, and then they can check it out?
Yeah, I appreciate it. That'd be
awesome.
great.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
And if you look at the sun, it just goes right through it. It is such a beautiful piece.
Vanna White, ladies and gentlemen. Vanna White.
I found some things that I was looking for to be able to decorate. These ladies had a booth in there and they make these. So this is cedar, and see how lightweight it is?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we can just put some Velcro strips on there and Velcro it to the wall, and we will have Christmas decorations. So that one, and then this one. Look how cool that is.
Oh joy.
I know, I love it. And then I got a candle from a booth where the 3 kids actually make these soy candles, and this one is, it's a bourbon type of a smell. Oh, look at all the noise I'm making now, but there you go. Three Little Bees Ranch. And that smells so good. So we're actually going to have some Christmas decorations.
And our camper will smell like bourbon.
Yes!
Perfect.
Yay!
I want to put that in the very back of the truck when we drive home. Welcome to Christmas Eve, California style. It's raining. Hardly ever rains here. It's raining on Christmas Eve, and we're taking off today to go to Joshua Tree National Park to do some boondocking. Only concern we have is that it's going to be sloppy, and we don't want to get stuck. So we're going to go up there. It's only about an hour 15 away from where we are right now, down in Palm Springs, and it's right up over the mountains behind me. And we're gonna see what it looks like, because it's sloppy here, and hopefully it's not sloppy there. Everything's soaking wet. You have to leave the truck open to pull the trailer, so all of this stuff gets soaking. And gotta put my water jugs in. And here's why you don't wait till it's raining to do everything. I had to put the bikes away, fill the water jugs, put the hoses away, and I'm drenched, but it's okay. I can change clothes, and before we get on the road, I'll be dry as dry.
So what were you just saying about the rain?
I said I've been out here all morning getting stuff ready, and it's been pouring, and then you walk out with your full rain suit on, and the sun hits, and it's barely raining.
I have good luck. I'm very fortunate. Dave might have already mentioned, but we're leaving this beautiful RV resort, and we're going to be boondocking now. So it's actually exciting because it's nice to be in an RV park with all the amenities, and we just couldn't get enough of the mineral springs, the pool, and the hot tub. However, as you can see, we're really close to our neighbors, and they were really good neighbors. All of our neighbors were great, but it'll be nice to get out there and have space. And we're gonna celebrate Christmas Eve and Christmas out in Joshua Tree. Traveling down the road with flooded signs everywhere.
A little sloppy.
We're going to Joshua Tree to this dispersed camping.
Hopefully.
Well, we're going there. We just don't know if we can stay there. A little worried about the roads or the area being washed out.
We'll find out pretty quickly here.
Hey, just FYI, if we get cut off, we might, because we're just now going through all these mountains.
Little windy out here.
Yeah, it is a little windy, but I'm glad we found a spot that works, and there are a bunch of other rigs out here.
Yeah.
So that feels good.
Yeah, safety in numbers.
Safety in numbers, exactly. And we're close enough to the park. We're close to the north entrance of the park, so we can go and check it out. Happy to be at Joshua Tree. All right, it's Christmas Day, and
happy holidays.
yes.
And we're doing our tradition.
Our new tradition.
Our new tradition. We did it last year. We danced. We hiked in, and we danced. We hiked in Lost Dutchman State Park in Mesa area. And now we are hiking where?
We're in 29 Palms, just, I guess, in Joshua Tree.
Yep.
So we're gonna hike the, what's it called? The Oasis Trail?
Yep.
Oasis Palms or something like that. I guess I should look it up and get it right. So I went on my All Trails map and looked for something that was nearby that looked like it would be good. It's the 49 Palms Oasis Trail.
There's a song, 29 Palms. Did you know that?
Are you sure?
Yeah, we have to look it up.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a song called 29 Palms.
I believe you. All right, so we're gonna go do this hike. It's 3.1 miles and it's supposed to be like a moderate to easy hike. And there's an oasis that is supposed to be very beautiful.
Midnight at the Oasis.
And for Christmas Day, there are a few people here.
Really?
Yeah, no, I'm just going on. It's background music.
Okay.
Okay, I think we're prepared. I think we're ready to go.
Let's do this thing.
Okay, I brought money because I think we have to pay a park pass, a fee.
Probably not anymore because we're already here, but we'll find out, won't we?
Yeah. I guess we will.
Let's go. Love it. If you can hear, it's getting a little bit windier up here. So we get a little bit higher. We just ran into a guy who said about 40 more minutes we'll be at the Oasis. So he said he hikes this a lot. He said he's back home with his family and they're all slugging around the house. He's like, I gotta get out of here and go hiking. So he was a good information guy.
He was, yeah. And it's nice to get out and do something today. So. Yeah. And you're a little short of breath.
A little bit.
We're climbing in elevation.
Yeah.
So I'm a little bit out of breath.
Yeah.
It's fun.
Let's keep going.
Let's see the Oasis. Let's find it.
All right.
Okay.
Up, up, and up. We keep going up. And I'm doing the not so safe thing. We're not on a ledge or anything, but talking and walking and looking out. It's beautiful. Look at that. It's gorgeous. A lot of people out here on Christmas Day. A lot of people. It's just good. Good to see friendly faces. Hello. Hey. Oh boy. I'm looking down. You can see like the lone green tree out here, and I'm guessing that that's where the Oasis is. And you look down there and that's quite a haul down. Kind of reminds me of the walk down at Hot Shots, the memorial, because it goes down pretty far. So I'm excited to see when we make that last turn, the Oasis.
What does that do?
I don't know.
What's the clapping? It's
Trying to shut the camera off.
That's what I was wondering.
Anything? Nothing? Well, let's get our money back
Try
on the
again.
clapper.
Try again. Well, this is one of those times that makes me really grateful for the lifestyle that we live.
Yeah, definitely. It's, you know, Christmas Day, being out here hiking at on the Oasis Trail right outside of Joshua Tree National Park.
And it's pretty magnificent, isn't it?
It is.
You know, before we became full-timers, and I found the healthy lifestyle program and we both lost weight and got healthier, this is why I wanted to do that.
Right.
Because I wanted to feel good going out and doing hikes like these.
Right.
And now we're able to do that.
Yeah.
A lot easier than we would have been able to. So this is exactly the life that I was looking for.
Right. And we get the outdoors, we get the adventure, and we still connect with friends and family.
Yeah. I mean, it has its challenges sometimes, working on the road and being in small spaces together, but you know what? This is pretty amazing.
Yeah, very thankful.
Feeling very grateful today, definitely.
Hey, thanks for watching another episode of the Border Hookups Go RVing, and please remember to subscribe and to ding that bell so that we can let all of you know as to when we have more episodes coming out.
And if you liked what you saw in this video, please give us a thumbs up, place a comment below, and we hope to see you out here.
We'll see you out here.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.